while unexpected due to the recent launch of the Triumphant Light expansion at the end of February and the date a mind release of another set at the end of April. Shining Reveille took Pokemon TCG Pocket by storm. This is because the set includes several characters that had never been part of the game before, as well as the rare titular cards for shiny Pokemon. There are various shiny Pokemon cards to collect in Pokemon TCG Pocket, and some of them may just be the rarest and most sought after of the expansion. However, there is a catch to collecting all the cards in Shining Revelry, and players may have to open many more boosters than past sets. Genetic Apex was the first set in Pokemon TCG Pocket, and it's still the largest to this day. However, with plenty of cards being added with new almost monthly expansions now, the overall collection is already quite hard to complete. Yet, many fans mainly played the game to crack open some booster packs and collect the cool cards Pokemon TCG Pocket has to offer. When it comes to Shining Revelry, though, players have to expect a hard time completing the set due to restrictions on shiny critters. It's unclear at this stage if this is intended a bug or a case of miscommunication on the Pokemon Company's part. But the official Pokemon website lists shiny Pokemon cards in Shining Reveille as intended for the Wonder Pig mechanic. However, shiny Pokemon and don't appear for players in Wonder Pigs. And based on reports online such as Reddit, Twitter, X, etc., this seems to be a widespread phenomenon. It may be that shiny cards have a different rating than 1-star and 2-star cards. Hence why they don't show up in Pokemon TCG Pockets, Wonder Pigs across the board. Still, it's bad news for completionists. Completing all Pokemon TCG Pocket sets is already virtually impossible for free-to-play players. But Shining Revelry takes things up a notch by making all the 14 shiny Pokemon cards in the game unavailable for Wonder Pigs. Fans will have to rely exclusively on opening booster packs to get them. This means that it may be a very long time before players can complete the set, and it requires us devoting resources to it rather than other ones, which is also problematic with the cadence of new expansions. Players can still spend Pokemon TCG Pockets pack points for the shiny cards in Shining Revelry, but non-X critters cost 1000 and pack points each, and X1s cost 1350 pack points.